Veteran coach Andrew Price believes that some local players have what it takes to be in the Reggae Boyz final 23-man squad for the FIFA Intercontinental Playoffs in March. Price says what the players need is exposure at the highest level.
These players are developing. I mean, they haven't arrived on the stage. They don't have the international exposure that the other players have. But of course, you have a couple of players out there who distinguish themselves in the local leagues and can play on the international level. And all they need is some exposure. And some of them got it yesterday. And I'm sure they must have jogged the mind of the technical staff. And, I believe that Coach Speed and his technical staff must be impressed in the showing that he got from the players.
Price is hoping the local players will make the most of their opportunities.
The internationals such as these are good, and it's my understanding that the JFF is working on trying to get another game before March so that they can take another look at more players. So I am always for that. I believe that local players should get an opportunity outside the window where they can play in these B internationals, get some exposure, and see if they can jostle to get spots in the final 23 when those 8 internationals come into play.
Price was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Monday. The Reggae Boyz will meet New Caledonia in their opening game at the Intercontinental Playoffs in Mexico on March 26, with the winner meeting DR Congo in the final on March 31. The winner of that contest will claim the last spot for this summer's FIFA World Cup finals.